Tech Shop channel. I am Swapna, your trainer. In this video, we are going to have a look cabling and Wi-Fi, the Ethernet protocols and network addressing and how to connect the devices. See guys, when it comes to connecting devices, there are two options: wired and wireless. A wired connection generally uses cables to connect devices such as laptop or desktop computers to the internet or another network. The most wired network used here, the Ethernet cables to transfer the data between connected PCs. A wired network uses cables to connect together. Wireless technology in generally for exist in long time, and wireless networks are the computer networks that are not connected by cables of and they are generally used for radio waves for communication. Cables can be copper and fiber. Copper cables usually cheaper, used for short distances. Copper cables uses electric signals. This means the gain affected by interferences, and fiber cables made by glass uses light signals, more appearance, used by longer distances and no outside interference. Coming to Ethernet cables, the basic idea of this design is multiple computers have access to it and can send data anytime. Ethernet is designed by group of IEEE and has many different standards. Here the different technologies are there, for example 802 LAN technologies, Ethernet for example 802.3. Remember Ethernet is a group of standard, right? For example 802.3i, that's 10 Mbps, and some 802.3u, that's 100 Mbps, and 802.3 AB, that's 1 Gbps, and 802.3 n equal to that 10 Gbps. Guys, if you want to Ethernet standards, you can go through browse on HTTPS and Wikipedia. In brief, you can see here, for example, 802.3 AN equal to 10 GB, and here the base T. Here the 10 GB is the 10 gigabytes for second. It's a speed. Base stands for the baseband cables, and these means used by digital signals. Here the UTP, it is a unshielded twisted pair cable, so it is a type of cables, guys. I will explain UTP cables soon. Here electric cables uses electric signals, so these are parallelly ones and zeros. This process is called encoding scheme. To send electrical signals, a circuit is needed, means electrical cables need to has several cables. There was a some cables. Here there was a common copper cable is called UTP, unshielded twisted pair over the UTP. Here one UTP cables contains four pairs of wires. Here electrical signals over a copper cables can be distracted by interference. See, do you remember here the electricity and copper cable creates the magnetic field, and copper cable and magnetic field creates an electricity. Here two types of wires. It operates half-duplex mode, that means sending and receiving at the same time. The other option dual core. This is for full duplex. Here one is depending on sending and another is receiving. The enterprise the network to use a dual network. This means switch and routers and service here. Service provider network has a single code. There are two types of fibers. These are called single mode and multi mode. See soon. Single mode fiber cable, here it has a laser light, and coming to multi-fiber mode, it is used for LED lights and the distance is 500 meters. The cost is cheaper. Coming to the different fiber optical cables used here, the main difference is here the LC connectors and SC connectors, which based by switches and routers. SC connectors is larger. Some switches has a special ports that looks empty. Some switches are made up entirely these ports. Coming to Wi-Fi, it does not use cabling, and wireless networks uses access point here, like connect your lap or PCs. Wi-Fi uses 802.11 standards. It given by IEEE. 802.11 is a Wi-Fi. It's a wireless fidelity. It's a industrial term, guys. This is about basics of networking part 2, guys. Please subscribe my videos and follow my channel, guys. Thank you so much.